Many accidents with firearms don't happen because people are bad or reckless on purpose. They happen because someone made a mistake they thought they'd never make. People often say, "That'll never happen to me," but then one small lapse of judgment lands them or someone else in the hospital. In this breakdown, we're going to cover 17 of the most common and most dangerous gun-related mistakes. I've seen every single one of these lead to real accidents. Some of them might seem too obvious, but trust me, complacency is what makes them so deadly. Even experienced shooters with decades under their belt fall into these traps. The scariest thing is that the most dangerous mistakes are usually the ones people are most confident they're not guilty of. This isn't about scaring you. It's about helping you recognize risky habits before they cause damage. Firearms are powerful tools, and the responsibility for safe handling rests entirely on the person holding them. Mistake number 17, carrying a gun without a holster. Tucking a loaded gun into your waistband with no holster might look cool in movies, but in real life, it's reckless. Without a proper holster, a gun can shift around. Clothing or other objects can snag the trigger, and before you know it, there's an accidental discharge. Good holsters serve two critical functions. They keep the trigger fully protected, and they secure the firearm in place. Spending a modest amount on proper gear is nothing compared to the pain, permanent injury, or even death that can result from negligent carry. Mistake number 16, ignoring eye and ear protection. Some people think, "I'll skip protection just this once." That's how permanent hearing loss begins. Gunfire produces sound levels over 140 decibels, more than enough to damage your ears instantly. The ringing you hear afterward isn't harmless. It's your hearing deteriorating. Your eyes are at risk too. Hot brass flies unpredictably, and tiny fragments of powder or debris can cause painful injuries. A simple pair of safety glasses and quality ear protection could save you from a lifetime of problems. Mistake number 15, unsafe DIY gunsmithing. Many gun owners try to improve their firearms at home with files, drills, or makeshift adjustments. Without deep knowledge, this is like turning your firearm into a potential pipe bomb. One of the most common dangerous modifications is lightening the trigger pull far beyond safe limits. A trigger that's too sensitive can discharge from the slightest bump or fall. If you want modifications, trust a qualified gunsmith. Otherwise, you're increasing the odds of an accident, not improving your firearm. Mistake number 14, skipping professional training. Movies, video games, and online tutorials can give you confidence, but not competence. Real firearm skills come from hands-on training with an instructor who can correct bad habits before they become ingrained. Professional classes don't just teach you how to shoot, they teach safe handling, how to react in high-stress scenarios, and how to follow the law. Without real training, you're more likely to mishandle your firearm and put others at risk. Mistake number 13, failing to practice. Owning a gun doesn't magically make you skilled. Shooting ability fades quickly without consistent practice, just like any other skill. Many people fire a few boxes of ammo when they first buy their gun, then let it sit in storage. But under stress, you don't suddenly become better. You default to your lowest level of training. Without regular practice, you're unprepared when it really counts. Mistake number 12, not knowing your firearm. Every gun is unique. Safeties, loading methods, disassembly, and even ammunition requirements vary from model to model. Not knowing how your firearm operates is like driving a car without knowing where the brakes are. You should be able to load, unload, and clear malfunctions instinctively. That means reading your manual thoroughly, practicing regularly, and getting help from experienced shooters if needed. If you don't know your firearm inside and out, you're a danger to yourself and others. Mistake number 11, ignoring misfires and squibs. A misfire or squib is a huge red flag. Smart shooters stop immediately and check what's wrong. Uninformed shooters just rack another round and pull the trigger again, which can destroy the gun and seriously injure the shooter. A squib load happens when a bullet gets stuck in the barrel due to insufficient powder. Firing another round behind it turns your gun into a pipe bomb. The correct response is to pause, keep the muzzle in a safe direction, and carefully check the barrel before continuing. Mistake number 10. Blindly trusting the safety switch. Safeties are mechanical devices, and mechanical devices can fail. They can be disengaged accidentally or malfunction at the worst possible time. Too many shooters treat the safety like a magic shield instead of just an extra precaution. The golden rule still applies. Never point a gun at anything you don't intend to destroy. Always treat your firearm as if it's ready to fire, even with the safety engaged. Mistake number 9. Neglecting cleaning and maintenance. Firearms require maintenance. Shooting deposits residue and grime that, if ignored, will eventually cause malfunctions or dangerous pressure buildup. Some people assume their gun is fine without care until it starts failing. Proper cleaning only takes minutes, yet skipping it can destroy reliability, or worse, lead to catastrophic failure. Regular inspections, lubrication, and cleaning should be second nature. Mistake number 8. Using the wrong ammunition. Not all ammo that sort of fits is safe. Mixing calibers, loading higher pressure rounds than your gun is rated for, or using poorly made reloads can cause disastrous results. Always check that the markings on the ammunition match the markings on your firearm exactly. A single, careless mistake can split barrels, blow apart chambers, or cause severe injuries. Mistake number 7. Mixing guns with alcohol or drugs. Combining firearms with alcohol or drugs is a recipe for tragedy. Alcohol impairs judgment, slows reflexes, and lowers inhibitions, the exact opposite of what you need for safe gun handling. Statistics show a significant portion of accidental shootings involve alcohol. The rule is simple. If you're handling or carrying firearms, stay sober. Guns and intoxicants don't mix. Mistake number 6. Horseplay and showing off. Firearms are not toys, props, or tools for showing off. Careless stunts, jokes, or attempts to look cool with a gun have caused countless tragedies. Children and teens are particularly vulnerable to this, with many accidental deaths happening when someone was playing with a firearm. But adults are guilty too. Treating guns as entertainment leads to deadly consequences. Mistake number 5. Improper storage. Leaving firearms loaded, unlocked, and unsecured is one of the leading causes of preventable shootings, especially involving children. Most accidents involving kids happen because a firearm was left where it could be accessed easily. Always secure your firearms when not in immediate use. Lockboxes, safes, trigger locks, and separate storage of ammunition are all effective. Convenience is never worth a life. Mistake number 4. Not being sure of your target and beyond. Every bullet fired is your responsibility until it stops. If you don't know exactly what your bullet will hit and what lies beyond, you have no business pulling the trigger. Bullets can travel long distances and penetrate walls, doors, and even entire houses. Whether you're hunting, training, or defending your home, you must know not only your target, but also the environment behind it. Mistake number 3. Poor muzzle discipline. This is one of the most fundamental rules of firearm safety. Always control the direction of your muzzle. Accidental discharges happen, but if the muzzle is pointed in a safe direction, nobody gets hurt. Unfortunately, many people absent-mindedly sweep their muzzles across others, the ground, or even themselves. Make muzzle awareness automatic and non-negotiable. Mistake number 2. Finger on the trigger too soon. Your finger should only touch the trigger once you've made a conscious decision to fire. Not while loading, not while moving, and not while just holding the firearm. Startled reactions and slips cause negligent discharges when fingers rest on triggers prematurely. Train yourself to index your finger along the frame until the exact moment you're ready to shoot. Mistake number 1. Assuming a gun is unloaded. This is the most common and the deadliest mistake. People assume a gun is unloaded because someone else told them so, or because they forgot a round was still chambered. Never take anyone's word for it. Always check yourself. Remove the magazine, open the action, and visually and physically confirm the chamber is empty. Even then, continue handling it with the respect due a loaded firearm. The instant you get careless, accidents happen. Final thoughts. These 17 mistakes are responsible for countless tragedies every year. The truth is, every single one of them is preventable with consistent, safe practices, humility, and vigilance. Firearm safety isn't about paranoia, it's about discipline. So, which of these mistakes have you witnessed? Sharing real stories helps drive the point home for others and might even save a life. And remember, smart, responsible gun owners never stop learning.